Okay, so today we're gonna discuss about structure of glucose. So as we know, the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, right? So glucose we're gonna draw. So the functional group of glucose is aldehyde. So let's draw it. So this is functional group, it is aldehyde. So we have to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know the formula of glucose is CHO. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is C6. H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this will be the structure of glucose. Same we have to make for fructose. Okay, so this is what? This is glucose. So just name it over here. This is the glucose. Okay, now fructose we have to make. So we know the functional group of fructose is what? So CH2. Functional group of ketone. Functional group of fructose is ketone. So this need to be followed. Okay, H, OH, OH, H. Okay, so let's count the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So carbon is 6. Now hydrogen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So hydrogen is having 12. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The oxygen is 6. So this is fructose. Okay, again I am saying glucose, we have to just see the functional group. So glucose is having aldehyde function group. This is the aldehyde function group, right? And this is ketone function group. Okay, ketone. So on the basis of functional group, glucose is consist of aldehyde functional group, that's why it's called glucose, whereas it is consist of ketone, it's called fructose. Is it clear to all? Thank you.